common perception in the marketplace is that an SAP solution is too big, too complex for my company. The reason for that is that people tend to, if you look at any of the ratings on Yelp or anything like that, people prefer to talk about the negative, right? Everybody has a story of a disaster. Very few people talk about the benefits. So let's break that down a little bit. So SAP has worked very hard over the last 50 years to become the best business management software in the world. What people don't really understand is over the last year, they've undertaken a significant transformation from going from very big monolithic solutions to very nimble cloud-based solutions. And that's really a benefit to everybody involved. So no longer do you need an army of consultants to implement a solution that's costing millions of dollars and tens of millions of dollars to implement to be able to gain the benefits of what the SAP solutions can do for you. Case in point is this S4 Public Edition, which is S4 HANA Cloud Public Edition, the full name of it, which has really now been labeled as part of the Business Suite. And in another video, we'll go on and talk about kind of breaking down Business Suite. But this is a public cloud available solution. What that means is really three things. First off, you're eliminating all of the cost in human capital and technological capital to be able to host and to maintain the solution itself. SAP takes all that on. Secondly, it's no longer a figure out how you want the system to work and then make the system work the way you want. It's now more of a fit to standard. There's only so many ways that you can do an order to cash, how many ways you can pay an accounts payable invoice, how many ways you can plan your production. SAP has bundled up the best practices for doing those types of business processes, and then you can configure them to more closely adapt to the way that you should run your business. Not necessarily the way you are, but the way that you should in a best practices way. And then lastly, really kind of the third leg of it, is that ongoing innovation that SAP is introducing. It used to be that when you were running an SAP solution, you couldn't take advantage of the new release unless you undertook yet another multi-million-dollar project. Today, SAP is producing 2 releases per year, which are very easy to consume. They are delivering it. They're handling all of the technological aspects of it. What you have in the business is the business evaluating how much of that innovation they want to consume. And they can consume it on a pace that works for them. So the benefits really are the fact that you're going to have the best of technology, the best of business process. And as SAP and really the world leans in harder to AI, you're setting your organization up to be able to take advantage of the benefits of AI moving forward.